All right, we got this IRONCK queen size platform bed. First thing I want to say, very easy to put together. Here's the instructions right here, just very straightforward, very easy to put together. A very high quality bed frame. Very sturdy, durable. I really like the wood finish right here, as well as the metal slats. There's a lot of support here. But something that's really amazing is you've got this charging port right here. Two outlets right here, and then you've got two USB ports right here that will connect into the wall. If you want to come back here just to see the way it looks back here, and as you can see, this will be on the wall, but as you can see, there's a number right here. There's numbers for every piece. They can easily just come off when you're done. When you're done installing it, easily just peel those off, but it makes it very easy to follow the instructions to install it. Two-tier storage. So you've got a storage area right here, whatever you want to put here, as well as a storage area up here. So just a really high quality bed. You're going to love it. Highly recommend.